everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. As part of my frugality, I do a bit of DIY to save some money. I'm currently feeding my dog some treats because I'm about to eat some treats myself. My son came home from work yesterday with some hot cross buns for me. Yum! So I'm going to have some now with a cup of coffee, take a break, because I've just spent an hour and a half moving furniture just from this corner and this alcove. So this room used to be knocked through. There used to be an archway here. We got it filled in, so it's two separate rooms. Easy to heat, easy to look after, easy to paint and decorate because you're only doing one room, and if you've got a mess in the other room, no one can see it. So I advocate for both rooms being kept separate. If you've got a teeny tiny space, I understand why you want to knock through. So because it was knocked through, the skirting board stopped here. I put a bit of skirting board here years ago. We moved in here in 2020, and as you can see, they're all laid straight. So I'm going to fill it today, get undercoat the skirting board, clean all everywhere. Everywhere's rotten, believe it or not. I cleaned this out about 3 months ago. I think everywhere gets dusty and dirty because we've got a log burner. But while everything's out and about, I thought, oh, I'll show you all some interesting knickknacks I got. This is a souvenir I got from Rhodes. It's the Colossus of Rhodes. There's the postcard as well. Just love it. I love this ancient copper Greek warrior. I picked that up in a car booty years ago for £8. This is a recent acquisition. It's a 1970s brass Tutankhamun, and inside there's an actual mummy. I've got a Royal Worcester plate, collectible plate of Antony and Cleopatra. That's about 20 years I've had that. My absolute favourite is this. This is a 1920s, 30s mask of Tutankhamun. It looks like it's 3D when you look at it at certain angles. Fabulous porcelain from Czechoslovakia. In those days, I used to call it Bohemia, and I just absolutely love it. It's my favourite thing, and I've had that over 20 years. And I bought these years ago on eBay. Loads of photographs of Egypt, little black and white ones of the Sphinx and the pyramid, and we were lucky to have gone in, I think it was 2000, when my son was little, about 2008, 2006, because we were at Sharm el Sheikh and we took a couple of days off to go to Cairo. So please like, share and subscribe, and I hope you like me knickknacks.